Hi guys, today I've decided to clean my car. This is my little red car. Let me get the keys. Here's the vacuum that I use. It's pretty old. I cleaned the car. Now it's nice and clean. I just need to wash it, but it looks like it's going to rain, so I'm gonna wait on washing my car. And that was it, cleaning my car. Hi guys. I'm at work already, and I'm gonna show you guys why it's so hard for me to not eat. I'm gonna show you what I have to deal with every single day. And this is just breakfast part. Let me show you. First, I have this cooler full of drinks. There's milks, chocolate milks, frappuccinos, Starbucks, Naked Juices, Tropicana, Rockstars, Monsters, Pure Leaf, and Sobeys, and all kinds of sodas. There's a tornado right there. currently forming. Oh, this is crazy. Better go take shelter. There's a tornado warning. Banji, hay un warning de tornado. Sí, está el tornado allí, se mira así. Picudo, picudo, mira, venga. No es la mejor idea hacerlo, pero sí se mira, mire, venga. Mire.
¿Dónde?
Ese.
Oh, yeah.
Ese es un tornado.
Wow.
Y hay un tornado warning.
Yes.
Que nos vayamos al baño, dijeron.
Los baños, yeah.
Yo no sé dónde es el baño de los
Aquí,
hombres,
ese
pero
baño,
¿aquí?
cualquier baño.
¿O aquí?
¿Dónde está el tornado?
Mire, esa línea que está ahí, ese es un tornado.
Mira.
Todavía no toca tierra, pero
Oh, wow.
pero ese es un tornado, mire.
Ay, qué feo.
Ver-
Deshaciendo platos abajo.
Tornado, ahí está.
Y no está.
Tornado. Sorry guys, there was a tornado warning and we had to run for shelter. But I filmed a little bit, so I'll show you guys when I make the video. And as I was showing you guys, there's biscuit, gravy, oatmeal, pancakes, cupcakes, muffins, fruit, candy, chips. Breakfast sandwiches, breakfast burritos, tea, coffee, soda. So this is what I have to deal with every single day. So it's hard for me not to eat everything that I see, you know. And this is just breakfast. We put all this out for like a couple hours and then we clean it out and then we put out dinner. And I'll show you dinner a little bit later.